Hello, if you clicked on this video, you may wonder what to choose between 12 months of bootcamp or self-learning and getting a coding job or going to university. So, I am a CS student and I will give you my honest opinion on this subject. So, a lot of people are asking why wasting money on uni and wasting time doing math when I could get a job in self-learning in 12 months. So I will compare the two tracks. So the distinction to do is, on the one hand you are a technician and on the other hand you are an engineer. It's like a cook versus a chef. The cook can prepare good meals, but it's the chef that understands flavors and can create recipes. For example, in a not so distant field, like electrical engineering, you can see that the engineer designs circuits while the technician can only repair it. So if you choose self-learning, you will learn how to code, how to implement it, but you will be very vulnerable to obsolescence. I mean, like nowadays AI can implement code by itself, so it's not really future proof because you learn one technology, but maybe in 5 years you will have to learn another one because it has changed. While if you go to uni, you do a mathematical degree focused on the science of computation, and math are pretty constant over time, while technology is evolving quite fast. So math are a lot more future-proof than technologies. Going to university, you will learn how to design architecture of systems rather than just coding. So you will learn how to, how can you say it? The bigger systems, like will it scale in time? Does it scale with a lot of data, for example? And things like that. Also, university system will push you outside of your comfort zone. It will teach you how to solve problem. That's really interesting. You will learn how to solve problem and get ideas on what needs to be solved. So, for example, if you want to create your own company, you might do it. And there's also the networking aspect in university. You can meet a lot of interesting people you can maybe collaborate with in the future. So, to give you my honest opinion, I think you should choose uni over self-learning and getting a job, because it's a lot more future-proof, as I have said already. The only people that shouldn't choose university over self-learning are people that can't afford it, because I know that in some countries like USA, the fees are really high, and there you might choose to maybe learn how to code first, get a job, get some money, and maybe then do some course that are math course, or try to go to uni if you have budget. But yeah, that was my honest opinion on the subject. Thank you for watching.